Today I'm going to show you how to make quiet critters. These are little creatures that are made out of pom-poms, pipe cleaners, and googly eyes. And they can be used to give your children what I call in my classroom a brain break. When they're doing homework and getting frustrated and need just a few moments to do something quietly and kind of reset, these can be pulled out and played with. All you'll need is pom-poms, pipe cleaners, googly eyes, and glue. Start by picking out some googly eyes and gluing them onto your pom-pom. Put as many eyes as you want onto your critter. Next, take a small piece of pipe cleaner and bend it in half to make the feet. Use glue to attach the pipe cleaner to the bottom of your pom-pom. If the glue doesn't dry enough on its own, you can also build these with hot glue. Now enjoy your quiet critters and a much needed break from another activity.